Yuhi KTN News.
Well, on matters security, 15 police officers drawn from the disbanded Special Service Unit of the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, on Thursday appeared at the Kiambu Law Courts before the High Court Deputy Registrar Jacqueline Karani. The 15 are charged with the murder of 2 Indians and their Kenyan taxi driver following the trio's disappearance in 2022. The prosecution applied for the mental assessment of the officers and for the officers to be detained in various police stations, requests which were granted. The accused persons are Chief Inspector Peter Muthe, Inspector James Kibosek, Corporals Joseph Kamau, David Chepcheng, Joseph Mwenda, John Mwangi, and Hilary Limo, Constables Stephen Luceno, Simon Muhuga, Paul Njogu, Boniface Otieno, Elkana Njeru, Frederick Thuku, John Wanjiku Masharia, and Warden Michael Kiplagat. The case will be mentioned on June 25th, 2024.
The suspects will be escorted for mental assessment before being presented before the judge for plea taking. The suspects shall remain detained at Kiambu prisons pending plea. Counsels for the suspect or accused are directed to file a formal application challenging the jurisdiction of the High Court in taking this plea, pending the fact that there is a similar fact case as alluded by themselves at Kahawa Law Courts. The same should be filed on or before the 24th of June this year. This matter shall be mentioned on the 25th of June before Judge Court 1 for further orders and directions.
These are police officers who were arrested way back in 2022, immediately after the change of government. I've always stood that these policemen were doing their duties. They were discharging their duties. There is no difference between the SSU officers and the officers that we are sending to Haiti. They will go to discharge their mandate as police officers. It is an attempt to criminalize and politicize the work of the police.
This is outrageous. It's a complete abuse of legal process. If you have seen anything as outrageous, you'll tell me. But put it in your papers, put it on the media that we say this is total abuse. It's something we have not seen. It goes against the grain.
We have suffered a lot as the part of the family. And what I can only say is that as a family, we only look at justice. The justice of the case is that if anyone is found culpable, let him be charged for whatever case he has done. If it is murder, so be it. So bringing the case here for purposes of charging people for murder, I think it is one of those areas which I say the prosecution and the investigating team has done their part, and now they are remaining the part to the court.